Top 5 Healthy Meals, Healthy and Tasty Salmon Salad Part 2. Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and easy to make salad with salmon. It's a healthy and tasty meal that's perfect for beginner cooks or for anyone looking to add more fish to their diet. I've simplified the recipe for you so you can make this with ease. So, grab your ingredients and let's get started. I've laid out all the ingredients you'll need and I'll be walking you through each step of the recipe. From seasoning the salmon to making the dressing. I'll make sure you have all the information you need to make this recipe with confidence. And don't worry if you're not an experienced cook. This recipe is easy to follow and will be a great way to start your cooking journey. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, salt and pepper, olive oil, 4 cups mixed greens, lettuce, arugula, spinach, ½ cup cherry tomatoes, have 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced 1/4 cup feta cheese, crumbled 2 tablespoons, lemon juice 2 tablespoons, olive oil. Instructions: preheat a skillet over medium-high heat. Season both sides of the salmon fillets with salt and pepper. Add a tablespoon of olive oil to the skillet. Once the skillet is hot, add the salmon fillets and cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side or until they are cooked through. Remove the salmon from the skillet and let it cool for a few minutes. In a large bowl, mix together the mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, red onion and feta cheese. In a small bowl, mix together lemon juice and olive oil for the dressing. Add the dressing to the salad and toss everything together. Flake the cooled salmon into large chunks using a fork. Add the flaked salmon to the salad and toss gently to combine. Serve and enjoy. It's important to note that this recipe is a basic recipe. You can add other ingredients you like such as avocado or cucumber, or you can change the dressing to your liking. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and learned something new. If you did, please like and subscribe for more delicious and healthy meal ideas.